How to register for a new account on Gulf Bank Mobile Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily register for a new account on Gulf Bank Mobile Banking. But before we begin, do not forget to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button as well. On that note, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Play Store or App Store to download the Gulf Bank mobile banking app and go ahead and open it up. Now, once you open up your app, you will be greeted with the home page or the login page of the app. So just wait for it to load. Now, if you want a demo mode, you can head over here. If you're already a customer, then you can just click on login, or if you're new, you can just tap on register. Now, if it's asking if you already have bank accounts with Gulf Bank, so you probably have it, so just tap on yes and tap on Let's Register in the app. So the very first thing you'll have to provide is your civil ID number. And once you've provided that, you can just tap on Continue and it will ask you the respective documents and your information like your phone number. It will ask you to create a password and ask you for a bank document to verify that it's actually you. And after you've provided all of those details, just go back and then from here you want to tap on Login. And then from here, you can just enter the username that you've just created and the password, and then tap on login and you should be logged into your Gulf Bank mobile banking. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to leave a like down below and I'll see you guys on the next one.